And then solubility data. So this is for the CO2 dissolution. And then this is the, Connaught water saturation. So let's check it out. Okay, do we have here? Or in this case, it is also called critical water saturation. Okay. And then we also have critical gas saturation 0.01. We set that using this keyword. So all the 12,960 grids will have this critical gas saturation and critical water saturation and critical oil saturation. So this critical value will be used. And maybe we can compare that with what we have in the table. Okay. So for gas, okay, let's compare it with 0.01. Yeah, a bit different with the table, but basically because we put these keywords after the relative permeability data table, we will still use this one. Okay, this will still be applicable. And so, although here you have saturation 0% or zero fraction saturation, you already have, wait a minute, oh, this one is RP for oil. RP for gas is this. Okay, so based on this, the critical gas saturation is 0.01. So at 0.01, the relative permeability for gas still zero. It starts to flow right at the critical saturation. So that's also, it's still relevant with this table. And then also for the water, let's check it out. For the water, we say that the critical is 0.17. But here, even at 0.15, we already have water flow with this relative permeability. Okay, so everything here for the water will not be regarded, but this keyword will be regarded. So at 0.17, water saturation of 0.17, we still have no flow of water. It just starts to flow. So if your saturation is greater than 0.17, then it can start to flow, and the model will use this table above 0.17. And that's also for the oil. Okay, so here 0.2. So at water saturation 0.8, we will have no flow of oil. So the relative permeability of oil will be zero here. So this row number 15 is good. Okay, so that's for the critical saturation. And this is the minimal water saturation 0.12, match with this table, SWL. Okay, so that's for the properties. And then what else? We have regions.